just finishing the top look. They put it final touches to snowmouse. Mister's dealing with it, I think. The mice and the giant snowmouse. Look at him. Just finishing sides off. Is this not amazing? See? That's it, fit its poor mouse. Oh my goodness, whoop. It's all melted. Well, what mice are getting involved in building snowmouse? Somebody behind. He's using ladders to climb up. Oh dear, they're all doing the bit. He's doing a bit at bike. Oh, he's climbing up a bike. He's gone upstairs. Oh dear, I think they've done an amazing job. I'm sure you'll all agree. The mouse and the giant snow mouse.